Here's a beautiful 1958 Chevy Impala hardtop. It certainly needs no introduction. I have 30 videos of Impala hardtops in 1958. This one happens to be for sale though, $85,000. But look at that interior, absolutely beautiful. And there's also something else for sale, a Whizzer bike. There you see that information. So this is at New Smyrna. It's a second Saturday show, which happens year-round. That's a 348 big block under the hood. And you'll see some interesting information on the sign underneath the bumper. It tells you the prizes that it's won. It has a tri-power arrangement. You see that medallion there in the grill, which shows how it did in the AACA contests, I believe. Beautiful red paint. I love the colorful interior in this car. Very, very nice. And of course it has automatic transmission. And there you see the rather large fender skirts for the back wheels. And of course the mandatory aerials in the back.